Hi to my dear maingay, makulit, masayahin at malambing. At syempre napapakamot lagi ang ulo ko pero love ko na spiritual daughter. Happy birthday to you my dear Iris, my baby girl. The person who always says, "Wag mo kaming iiwanan, mommy. Masakit po yun, magtatampo ako sa'yo." And you're the second person who called me mommy aside from your ate princess. Today, I wanted to give you a message that you could bring in your entire life. Sana gawin mong sandata ito araw-araw sa buhay mo at maalala mo palagi na ito yung bilin or kabilin-bilinan ko sa'yo. Dear anak, first and foremost, I just wanted to say thank you for calling me mommy. The moment or the time you start calling me that, I am really happy and the most happy person in the world. Akalain mo yun, nagkaanak ako out of nowhere sa katauhan mo. And alam ko pinagsisilosan na ako ng mom mo. Being your adopted mom is really a great privilege. Wherever you are, continue being friendly. Continue being masayahin. That will always be your great asset in winning the heart of people. Sorry if sometimes I am lacking of care for you and all. But I just want you to know that I always love you. I always appreciate your hug, your sweetness. Hindi man kita anak sa dugo, but I can feel that. Alam kong sa lahat sa inyo, ikaw ang mapagmahal at malambing. Pero ikaw ang pinakamatapang. Maging matatag ka sana. Thank you sa genuine na pagmamahal mo. But anyways, enough drama and I just wanted to say thank you Iris because ikaw yung dahilan na nabuboost lagi yung confidence ko. I hate really taking pictures with somebody but nagagawa mo akong mapapicture na may kasama. And other part is that nagagawa mo akong mapagawa ng mga bagay na alam kong wala akong confident. So that's really a great asset of you and thank you for that. Once again, happy birthday. And I wish you all the best.